Hi everybody, welcome back to TikTok Tips. Today I have a tip for you about 3 words that non-native speakers often confuse. Look, watch and see.
Oh, TikTok's got the tips.
Okay, so when students ask me, when do I use look? When do I use watch? When do I use see? And why do you have 3 words in English? Let me explain. So, I'm going to draw an eye. Okay, this is our eye. The eye looks at the picture. Maybe it's the Mona Lisa. I am an artist, of course. Oh, we'll have 2 eyes. There you go. Da Vinci would be proud. So, the eye is looking at the picture. The eye looks at the picture. Look at an object. We also say that the eye watches maybe the TV. Okay? You watch the TV. On the TV, or maybe we have a football game. We have a ball. Okay? You watch the TV, you watch a football game. In these situations, the thing you are watching is moving or changing. So you watch for a longer time. You look at things which are not changing and not moving. I look at the flowers. I look at my garden. Okay? But I watch the birds because I want to know how they are moving and what they are doing. So, look at and watch are both active. My eye is doing these things. It's my intention. I want these things in my brain. So, I direct my eyes towards these things. Now we're going to have a look at the word see. When we use see, we're talking about the information that comes into our eyes, okay? So right now, I am looking at the camera, but I can see the floor, the ceiling, and all of the other things around. I'm looking at the camera, but I can see many things. Many things are coming in to my eyes. So, to recap, we look at something that's not moving, we watch something that's moving or changing, and we see everything that comes into our eyes. Guys, I hope that tip's helpful for you, and if you enjoyed the video, please click down below, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye!
Oh, TikTok, oh, TikTok, oh, TikTok's got the tips.